Okay, so I'm going to walk you through, and obviously you can follow some more practical applications of auto layout. So you can start to see what's it like and when do we actually use it and how effective it is in real world cases. So I'm going to go ahead and open this browser. So this is basically CodePen. You don't have to worry about it. This is just a code editor on the browser. So it's easy for me to show you exactly how do you translate code into auto layout. Auto layout is just a recreation of a specific CSS property in Figma. All right. Don't get overwhelmed by this code here. This is just HTML. It's a very starting template when we are starting to code a website. The front end, the user facing side of the website. So this just tells the browser that we are programming with HTML, and this is not something that the user sees, but it's very good for the search engine. This has the metadata, and it's important for SEO, search engine optimization. So everything inside body here, this is where we see what's on the browser. So for example, this is, by the way, the default version of how the browser sets everything up. So we have the image here for Figma on top. Then we have, you can say, the paragraph, the text, and just think of it as a button. But don't worry about it. I want to show you the property, the CSS property specifically, that is basically being recreated in auto layout in Figma, and that is what's most important. So this is, by the way, for CSS property. In styles, we can create a header, because I will show you. All right, and now we can change the default version of how a browser shows us what's on the screen on the right side. So moving further, we can apply some CSS properties to reshape the order. Let's just look on the right side how me putting these properties changes the browser. And this is what auto layout is being implemented. We will come to that when we move to the next lesson. So the direction of the elements we want to have in row, right? We can also align items, for example, by putting center. Let's just put. We can also justify content. By the way, don't feel worried. This is just to show you how code is translated into auto layout. You don't necessarily need to know this. Background. So let's just go with background gray. All right, and we can also add padding to it. Padding is the distance of the container from the top, bottom, right, and left. So we can say 12 pixels. Let's go with 16 pixels. By the way, this is just showing right, left, top, bottom, and 60 pixel. I made a mistake. Yes. So do you see how this completely changed the right side? Now we have a specific header, and this is exactly what we're going to implement in auto layout.